What's up everybody? Today I'll be making Cheddar Bay biscuits and they're better than the ones at Red Lobster. I promise you that. This recipe is quick and simple and you'll love it because it's delicious. First up, I'll be starting with the ingredients. I have salted, grated, ice cold butter. I have sugar, baking powder, baking soda. I have self-rising flour, which is very important. I have ice cold buttermilk. I have grated cheddar cheese, and you want to grate your cheddar cheese to the finest setting on your box grater. I have some chopped parsley, finely chopped. I have some granulated garlic, some melted butter, and I have some egg wash to brush on my biscuits just before they go into the oven. For my tools, I have a nice bowl. I have a pastry brush. I have a wooden spoon. I have a scooper to keep my biscuits nice and even. I have a baking tray with silicone matting. You can also use parchment, but that's basically it for the ingredients and for the tools. Now let's get started on mixing our biscuits. First up, I'll add my self-rising flour to my bowl. And I'll mix that around. I'll add my granulated white sugar, my baking powder and baking soda, and of course the recipe will be in the description below. Next up, I'll add my cheese, all of it. I'll add half of my parsley. Next up, I'll add my butter. So at this stage, what you want to do is use your hand. And you want to get everything equally distributed. And now that's basically it. Next up, I'll add my buttermilk. Use my spoon to mix this around. And you just want to mix it enough so it comes together. So at this point, I'll use my scooper to start scooping my biscuits. So now I have my biscuits all scooped out. They're 12 2-ounce sized biscuits. And now I'll use my egg wash to brush on top of it. So now I'm gonna pop these in a 475-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. For the topping that you're gonna brush on top of your biscuits, you'll need granulated garlic, parsley, and butter, melted butter that is salted. So I'll add my butter to my parsley. And I'll add my granulated garlic. And you'll brush this on top of your biscuits as soon as they come out of the oven. Boom, and that's it. So here are my biscuits straight out of the oven. What I'll do next is I'll take my butter, parsley, and garlic, and I'll brush it on top. So here they are, beautiful Cheddar Bay biscuits, and these are super light and they smell super delicious. So here it is, my beautiful Cheddar Bay biscuits, better than the ones from Red Lobster because you made them from scratch and you know exactly what's inside of them. I promise you, you will love this recipe and you'll make it over and over again because it's simple and it's delicious. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Drop some comments below and please share and subscribe. Thank you. Now it's time to try this delicious biscuit. Nice and hot. Amazing.